Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. Really simple card and I think really appropriate for the current circumstances. So let's get started. Supplies you're going to need are your card base, which is Old Olive. So this is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. Then I've got a piece here of the Ornate Thanks Designer Series paper, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Then I've got a scrap of Whisper White and a scrap of terracotta tile. So let's get stamping. We're going to be stamping here with terracotta tile ink. Make sure it's good and inked up. And I've got everything, as you can see, set up in my Stamparatus. Oh, and I should have said, stamp set we're going to use is this one called Ornate Thanks. So that's so grateful, that one. I'm just going to stamp it. Lovely. Dimensional backing, as I said before, many a time, they get everywhere. Now I'm just going to clean my stamp because some inks, like the terracotta tile, just seem to get everywhere. And I don't want any more ink than I already have on my hands, if at all possible, because I don't want to transfer it to my lovely projects. So let's move that aside. Whoops, sorry about the noise. And bring this back, and we're just going to cut it out. And I sometimes find it's easier to do it this way, is to stamp and then cut out my piece. So I'm just going to use my trimmer here to cut out a piece, to cut it out. And then all I'm going to do here is take some snail. Now you could, as I said, just cut out a piece exactly the right measurements, but I struggle with that. I find it so much easier to stamp and then decide after I've stamped, cut it out. So now I'm just going to cut this out for some terracotta tile. Okay, and got a bit much here at the top, and I'm just going to do this the old-fashioned way. Like that. Cut out. Lovely. So this is our trimmer, as you can see, and I absolutely love it. I haven't yet changed my blade on it, and I've been using it for at least more than 6 months, so I'm very pleased with that. And as you know, I craft all the time, so I think that's pretty good going. Now we're going to stick down our Designer Series paper to our card base. Okay, and then we have our sentiment here. And then I've got here some of our terracotta tile ribbon, and I'm going to use this to mat a bit to give a bit of extra interest. So I just want 2 pieces, a little bit extra in length, and then all I'm going to do is put strips here of snail, top and bottom. And then I'm just going to use this to mat as a second mat, like, and just take your time to get it as straight as you can, but don't worry too much about it. Something like that, and then you're just going to use, make sure it's properly stuck down first, you're just going to use your scissors to cut off the excess. like that. Okay, and then we're going to use some dimensionals again. To prop this up. And we're just going to plonk this somewhere in the centre of our card. I love, as I've said many times, these big bold sentiments. They really are my favourite. And I love the set Ornate Thanks because of it. Though I have to say, I know it is Ornate Thanks, so it is thanks. I would have loved if there could have been a happy birthday in the set as well. You know, it could have come in this font, the same happy birthday, congratulations as well, and I'd have been a happy girl. Okay, so these are our star design elements. I've just added one here at the end because to add some extra interest, and there we go. So, what do you think? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you did like it, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, measurements, etc., it'll be on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!